Hi everyone, this is Debi Boushey, and I am super excited to invite you to the workshop that I'll be teaching at this summer's NGH Virtual Educational Conference. The workshop is number 31102. I'll be showing this and joining you on Sunday, August 15th from 10 to 11 Eastern Standard Time. And the workshop is, drum roll, learn the top 3 mistakes many hypnotists make that keep them struggling to attract clients and make more money. You can stop that cycle of roller coaster revenue. The goals of this workshop are to teach you and designed to teach you the secret formula to finding the right clients who want to work with you, how to go from chaos to order with your marketing strategy, and 3 steps that will help you fill your appointment book with ease. And the topics I'll be covering are, should you have a specific client or ditch the niche? How to move past marketing lingo to really embrace your message and get your message out into the world. And everyone will be creating an action plan that you can implement immediately after the workshop's over, so you can really start filling in your appointment book and attracting more clients into your practice. And I'm excited to share the information that I've been using for the many years I've been in practice. I have been blessed with a couple of $20,000 months, even during COVID, working online, and I'm excited to share my information with all of you. This presentation is best for all newly certified hypnotists, and of course all of you seasoned hypnotists who might need or want to bring information into present time. So join me for learn the top 3 mistakes many hypnotists make that keep them struggling to attract clients and make more money. I'll talk more clearly on that day. And it's number 31102. I'll see you there.